Hello, I am William Garate Arevalo. I am 30 years old and I from Lima, Peru, but I am living in Valencia since 2005. My email is williamgaratearevalo@hotmail.com. I am an accountant. I have I have studied at the National Documentation School in Lima, and also I have an advanced diploma in Administration and Finances in Valencia. I worked for 2 years in the library of Lima in the area of process documentation. Later, I have been working for 6 years in accounting office in Valencia, the tax and labor department. I am familiar with file documentation, making balance sheets and payroll, writing reports and dealing with clients. I speak Spanish and I have the certificate in English. I usually work with Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access, and with Internet too. I am hardworking, responsible, organized, and work in team. I would like to find a final job in a company that provides me security and gives an opportunity to gain experience and promotions. I have driving license and I have a total availability. If you think that there is a job in your company for me, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much.